Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone notifications sound issue after iOS 17 update. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, check if your iPhone is in silent mode. Although it might seem obvious, make sure the ringer switch on the left side of your iPhone is not set to silent mode. With iOS 17, you have the option to use focus modes that can mute all notifications. Verify that you are not accidentally in a focus mode that silences alerts. To do this, swipe down to open Control Center and review the active focus modes. If you find one that could be muting notifications, tap on it to turn it off. Alternatively, navigate to Settings. Here, tap on Focus. Now see if any focus modes are enabled that might be set to block notifications. Another step is to try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches affecting notification sounds. Follow the specific restart procedure for your iPhone model. If the problem persists after these steps, reaching out to Apple support is a good next step. They can offer specialized assistance and help troubleshoot the issue further. Visit Apple's official website to get their contact details. That is how to fix iPhone notifications sound issue after iOS 17 update. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.